How to save and download Instagram Reels without Watermark. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to download Instagram Reels without the watermark. So let's just begin. First thing first, you want to go over to Instagram. Once you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. And from here, you want to go over to the Reels section down below. So just tap on the Reels section like I've done over here. And if you want to download any reel, you usually go and tap on the share button and swipe to the right and find the download button here. And if you tap on download, it's going to be downloaded to your gallery, but it's going to come with the watermark of the creator's name. So what you can do instead is tap on the share button. This time you just tap on add story and add this to your story. Now all you have to do is just tap on this reel and it's going to make it a bit bigger. It's still going to have the name, but it's not going to be as prominent as the previous one. So let's just tap on it, tap on the three dots at the top right, and you can just tap on save. Once you have done that, it's going to be saved to your gallery. So as you can see here, this is one of the videos I've downloaded, and you can easily see the watermark on the right hand side of the screen and the username. This one is also the same one. I've downloaded it off of Instagram like that, but I'll show you the one that I've just downloaded. As you can see here on this one, it's not that scene, it's just a little icon at the top or the name, and that's basically it. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.